Hello. Monday the 25th of February. This is the Polytunnel, how it is at the moment. Doors coming off, there's dead bindweed everywhere, the noise from the workmen. So I won't record anything. I'm just going to start tidying and see how long it takes me to get the Polytunnel sorted. Tuesday 26th of February. I didn't do that much yesterday actually because I went to get my chickens and settling them in. So I've come back today and I've actually sorted one bed out. Doesn't look like it because I've got things on top of it. But now it's tackling all the bindweed that's down this back border. So I'm digging it out and I'm riddling it through some chicken wire, and it's pulling out stones as well that I can get rid of, as well as the bindweed. So I've done a few hours in here now. I think that's it for today. Another day in the garden. So another crock pot meal, which is basically liver and onions and your potatoes. Might as well put it all in a crock pot slow cooker and let it go for the day rather than cooking it on top of the stove. When I come in, which is now, all sorted. Just need to get clean again. Bye.
It's a